Hello, friends. How are you all? I hope all of you are very safe and enjoying my YouTube lesson on my channel. I am from NM Joshi Vidya Bhavan Goregaon. Today I am going to teach you a lesson, an encounter of special kind of 10th standard. This is a story written by Tafan Mukherjee about a young boy who rescued and saved a baby langur. The story depicts a bond of trust, compassion, and mutual understanding between man and animal. ही कथा तफन मुखर्जी यांनी एक अविस्मरणीय भेट भेटीची आठवण या कथेमध्ये सांगितलेली आहे. ही कथा आपण पुढील तासाला पाहणार आहोत. तत्पूर्वी आपण या कथेमधील वॉर्मिंग अप ॲक्टिव्हिटी पाहणार आहोत. Look at warming up activity. The first activity is chit chat activity. Look at the picture given on course book, page number 7, and answer the following question. First of all, I will read the 4 questions loudly. You listen carefully. First question is, what do you see in the picture? Second, what do you think the girl is trying to do and why? Third, if you were in the place of that girl, what would you do? Fourth question, last question is, do you think she will become successful in her mission? You can observe this picture and express your opinion. In the last session, I have told you already, it is not possible to discuss the activity here. So, I have written all these answers in the next page. First question is, what do you see in the picture? You can express in this way. I see a small girl is carrying a puppy in a tub. Or someone will say, a girl is taking a puppy to a safer place. Second question, what do you think the girl is trying to do and why? You can write the answer. I think the girl is trying to save a puppy from drowning in the river because she feels sympathy about animal. This activity is a personal thinking activity. You can express your opinion in a different way. या ठिकाणी प्रत्येकजण या प्रश्नाचं उत्तर वेगवेगळं लिहू शकतो आणि उत्तर मात्र हे व्याकरणदृष्ट्या अर्थपूर्ण असणं गरजेचं आहे. Now look at third question. If you were in the place of that girl, what would you do? Answer is, if I were in the place of that girl, I would behave like that girl. I would try to save the puppy. Someone will say, I would also have tried to rescue the puppy if that was within my reach. Last question is, fourth question is, do you think she will become successful in her mission? Answer is, yes, I think that she will become successful in her mission because she has rescued the puppy. In this way, you can write your own opinion, you can write your own answers in your notebook. Now I am going to discuss second activity. Look at the second activity. Match the appropriate headings with the images. There are 4 headings given there and there are 4 images given there. Images number are A, D, C and B. You have to fill the image number in the box, given box. First heading is our luxurious bungalows. Second is my favorite pastime. Third is what a commotion. And fourth one is engross in my book. If you observe these images, you can write appropriate image numbers in the box. First one is our luxurious bungalows. You can match and write the image number C. C is the appropriate image for first headings. Second, my favorite pastime, and image number is A. For third one, what a commotion. If you observe the image, you can write image number D. And last one is engross in my book. Here last one option is B. You can write all these image numbers given in the box and complete this activity. In this way, you can write all the activities, warming up activities, and write down your notebook. Before that, I'm after complete this activity, you should read the whole story again. I request you read the whole story with the margin glossary, and with the help of this glossary you can understand the whole theme of this story and underline the main points in this story. After that, you read the margin questions and solve the margin questions, find out the answer of these questions and write down these answers in your notebook. In the next session, we will discuss the whole story. Now I will stop here. I hope all of you understood this activity. I hope all of you have liked this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe and comment also. Thank you very much.